Well, I don't know what happened there, but hopefully it recorded the other part of the video that I was doing. But this is a variety that came out of a go to miauboxjapan.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get a nice array of Japanese instant noodle varieties and ramen. This is Sapporo Ichiban with a thing with Kuze, Fuku and company. Yeah, so that was weird. I don't know. I don't know if all of a sudden it just like crashed or something. So either we're in this a little late or we're in it just right. So, and then I repeated myself. I abhor driving you people crazy and boring you. So if I have done so, my sincere apologies. So I don't know what prompted it, but it kind of occurred to me. I was like, I wonder if I can make my own Nintendo game, and if there's a way to do it without learning all the coding crap, because I'm not into that. I hate math. I failed out of programming horribly. It's just not for me. For those of you that are into coding and programming, right on. So cool. But for me, it's just like too many constraints. I like what I do to have a lot of creative stuff, and not to say that coding doesn't have that, but too many rules for me. Can't do it. So there's a thing that is called GB Studio, and it's free, and you can make your own Game Boy games. So what I did is I went and I got that, and I started fiddling around with like editing the images for a sample game, and it's called Noodle Guy. There's constraints in it too, but it's a lot easier. But what I really want to get is called NES Maker, and with that you can make a full-fledged Nintendo game. And I think there's lots of templates that you can use and just take the little pixelated things and put them in Photoshop and make your own ones for it. So I think I want to do that. The GB Studio is free, like I said, but the NES Maker is like $36, which really isn't too bad. But I just have to be like, okay, I really want to invest some time into doing this. But I think it'd be fun because I've got my arcade machine over here, and it'd be kind of cool to have a Ramen Raider game on the Ramen Raider arcade machine. Somebody mentioned that once, and I was like, oh, forget it. No, not gonna happen. Not. But if there's like a pretty easy way to do it, you know, I'm down. I'm down to do a little bit of learning. I shouldn't have to learn new things. I like to learn new things. Here's the noodle. This seems like some kind of wakame deal. Definitely has a bonito hit to it. Seafoody. Pork. Maybe egg. No, that's pork. I'm trying to figure out what these other bits are. I'm going with a qualified It's windy outside, and it's threatening. I guess there's the possibility of thunderstorms, which I'd be really stoked on. There we go. Yeah, this gets a... Do I want to put an egg in that? I could. It really wouldn't break the egg bank. let's egg it up. I might put an egg in the next one too. I'm unsure on that. My thoughts are maybe I will, because the only problem with these for doing cups, these eggs are rather large, which I want large eggs for when I do this kind of whoa. Sometimes it is difficult. It's a difficult. Okay. Whoa. Ah, the sun keeps coming and going. I don't know if you can see that, but I might be able to get this done before the sunshine goes insane, which I prefer it not to. Something like that. I like using the straighter mung bean sprouts, but it's kind of tricky because sometimes they grow in a different direction, and I'm that stingy about doing crap that I'm gonna dig through the mung bean sprouts and find the ones that I think go in the right direction are gonna look the best. Not always correct about how they look the best or not, but it's kind of the way I like to do things. Ow. I do have a story, but I will tell you on tomorrow's show, because tomorrow's I think is a 5-minute steeping one, and I will talk to you about that and stuff, which you will enjoy thoroughly. I think that's good. Looks kind of nice. Not my favorite, but not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, new track. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is, look, that's Bobby Yip right there. Yip, yip, yip. And this is Haichi-ja. Oh, gosh, that's tiny. But I think it might be it's either a mala, a sesame, maybe? I don't know, we'll see, but it's from China. It's going to be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.